Hi everyone, this is Smruti. Welcome to QA automation classes. So we're continuing our Jenkins series, guys, and today I'll cover the topic how to generate the TestNg report in the Jenkins, right? So in order to generate the Jenkins report, TestNg report in the Jenkins, we need a plugin, right? So let's go to the Jenkins. I have already logged in. Go to Manage Jenkins, okay, and go to the plugins, okay. So okay, so after going to the plugins, you can see what are the available plugins are here, right? What are the installed plugins are here, okay? So you can see all of them, right? So here we need one plugin that is called as the TestNg results plugin, okay? So let's say, do we have TestNg results plugin? TestNg results. I don't think we have it here. Okay, so let's go to available plugins and now search TestNg results. So you can see the TestNg results plugin is here. So click on it and say install. Okay. So now the TestNg results plugin is going to get installed into the Jenkins, and after this we can restart. Okay. So now the Jenkins is restarting. Let's wait for Jenkins to restart. So we'll create a job that would be for getting the Jenkins results, and then we'll configure it. How exactly this plugin is going to help us, we will see while configuring the project. Okay, so we can wait for some time. Jenkins is restarting. So Jenkins is restarted, so we can go to the available plugins and try to search for the plugin that got installed. Sorry, let's go to the installed plugin and try to search it. So TestNg results plugin is now added to the Jenkins. Okay, so now this plugin is there. It's asking to do update for this JUnit. Okay, that's okay. So we'll go to the dashboard. Okay, so now we'll create a job. We'll say that is as a TestNg job. So we can take one of the job and try to copy it. Okay, so let's see this job configuration, how exactly it is configured. Okay, so open this job and see. So this is Selenium framework demo to local. Okay, fine. So let's check one more and see which one is suitable. We can take Maven. This is a Maven project. Okay, let's see in the Maven project what we have. Okay, so let's copy this Maven project. Okay, so Selenium framework demo Maven. Okay, so we'll create a new job here. So let's create new item. Okay, so I'll say, so we can enter the name. Let's say TestNg result demo. Okay, and I'll say just copy from that project. Okay, click OK. So we can go and configure this job is Maven job type created to run local pom.xml and generate TestNg report. Okay, in Jenkins. Okay, so and then you can go scroll down, and I think everything is done. Authentication, we don't need this one. Okay, I can get rid of this. So project after, we don't need that sequence or chaining. So we can go to the build environment. So this is the location where we're building. Okay, and we can say go to the build section, and in the build section, let's go to the build and go to the advanced, and here we can use the custom workspace, and the custom workspace will be the same workspace. We can use here custom workspace. Just remove that pom.xml. Okay, so after that you keep the other settings, and then go to the post build post steps. Okay, so post steps, add post build step. So here you should see the publish. So publish. We don't see that for HTML, for the testng report. Okay, let's see. Go to post steps, add post build step. So execute shell, and no, I think I need to restart it one more time. Okay, so in the build only we can see build module. This is the custom workspace, default maven setting. This is the one, post steps, add post build action, build settings. Let's go to build setting. Here post build action, you can see here, do you have publish testng results? Okay, so you have to go to the build settings. Okay, so in the build setting you have to select publish testng results. Okay, so click on this one. Okay, so after creating that, we have to enter the location where exactly we want to generate that report. Okay, so testng results.xml, that is the pattern they're saying. So we can say let's generate it in the target. Okay, slash surefire reports. I can mention something like let's say it is surefire reports slash testng.results.xml. okay, and then we can say okay, apply. Okay, fine. So let's go one more time and see which project I have selected. Is it a testng project? Selenium framework demo. Let's see. Selenium framework demo. Let's go and find it first. So let's see. So we don't have to go to pom.xml, just we can go one step back till the folder. Okay, so yeah, it's the testng project. Okay, so I can open the pom to double check it. So testng.xml. okay, cool. So this looks good. Okay, so now this is a testng project. We have configured it here, and in the build settings we have given the location, right, where exactly it is going to generate the surefire reports. Okay, so target surefire reports. So let's see it. So we have a folder called target. So inside the target there is a surefire reports. Okay, so here it is going to generate. Okay, so that is the location where the testng results is going to get published. Okay, so after that we can click on the apply and the save, right, and then we can build it. So apply, save, and then just go and say build now. Okay, so now you can see the build is scheduled. Okay, so first build is scheduled over here. You click on it. Okay, so now the console output. Okay, so let's wait for this to finish the execution. So after execution is done, then we can verify where exactly the testng results are getting created. Okay, so we can see it over here. So let's wait for it to execute. Okay, clean test -d browser equals to Chrome. This is our command line argument for the Maven. Okay, so starting. Okay, compiling. Okay, let's wait for some more time. It will start execution shortly. Started by user admin, because I only invoked this one manually, right? Otherwise, if there is a timer, it could have been shown started by the timer, right? Hope you guys remember that session when we have that what is that, cron jobs and all scheduler. That time it will work. So it will say started by timer. So now the execution already started. Okay, so it already read the username and the password from the Excel that we are passing, and then it is reading the URL, and then it started. Okay, started the execution. Verify page title, enter password. Okay, okay, click on logout link, clicked on logout link, test run 2, failure 0, error 0. So build is success. So now if you see, so build is success. Okay, so now we have to go to the our okay, this is successful. Okay, so let's go to the testng result demo project. Okay, so here can you see there is one more folder called testng results. Here also we see the testng results. Okay, so if you click on that testng results, what happens? So here it will give you, so latest test results build 1. Okay, so if you click on this one, so you will see the testng results. So if you see, this is the one, that package that got executed, 0 failures, 2 test has been executed. Okay, duration is this much, fail 0, deep 0, skip 0, total 2. Okay, so this is how you can see the testng results that got created. And if you want to see more about it, you can click on that one, and then you can see these are the 2 test cases that got executed, right? And what methods are also there that got executed. Class level description and method level description are here. Okay, so you can basically see what are the things that got executed. Okay, and when you have you have configured the testng, you can see like this. Okay, and this is what we called the testng results. Okay, this is how you will be able to see the testng results in your Jenkins after the execution is finished. If there are any failures, that will be also reported over here. Okay, so you go to test results, or you go to the testng results. Okay, and here you can see those information. Okay, so yeah, that's all to this class, guys. If you guys are really enjoying these sessions, I'll request you to subscribe to my